10 divided by 10 equals 1, and again 10 divided by 10 equals 1, and 1 divided by 1 equals 1, but this answer is wrong because we have not taken the PEMDAS rule into account. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Please subscribe to the channel before solving the question so you don't miss future videos. According to the PEMDAS rule, since we only have division, we solve from left to right. 10 divided by 10 becomes 1. The expression then transforms into 1 divided by 10 divided by 10. Now, again, we solve from left to right. 1 divided by 10 can be written as 1/10. The expression then becomes 1/10 divided by 10. We also solve this expression using the KCF rule. The KCF rule is used in fraction division, where the rule is as follows: we keep the first term the same, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and invert the second term. Provide the English translation of this text. According to the KCF rule, we write 1/10 as it is, and the division sign changes into multiplication. Then we take the reciprocal of 10, which becomes 1/10, and 1/10 times 1/10 equals 1/100th. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.